What I do know is how it feels. How it feels when that spirit thing won't stop raking the metal mug across your rib cage, clanging like a machine gun fired at a church bell, vibrating everything irreverent inside. Sounds like a prison revolt that only you can hear and feel. And nasty things are being said about that prison guard, that scared, controlling, oppressive part of you and everyone else. If you are anything like me, you hope it never stops. You hope the bubbling never dies down and the yearning to break out and break through never simmers. You hope the voice that delivers the loudest whispers of what you envision never silences, that it never cowers behind fear and expectations that other people strap to your life like a backpack full of bricks or books written by experts. Because if it did disappear, if the voices vanished and you were no longer overtaken by the taunts of your own potential, no longer blinded by a perfect vision of your purpose, no longer engorged with passion, what would happen? Well, I guess nothing. And to me, there is nothing scarier than nothing. Even when nothing seems to be going right, or nothing seems to be going right. I'd rather be bothered by the loud knocking on the door inside. Even though I answered years ago, the knocking continues. I'd rather my appetite be whet by a teaspoon of almost there every now and then. I'd rather suffer from internal eczema, constantly irritated by the itch of possibilities. There have been many anxious nights where darkness has slept around me, my friends cocooned in a coziness that I have yet to meet, my eyes swollen with exhaustion, my body sputtering on its way down, but my dream won't stop crying, screaming like a colicky infant. Sometimes I think it needs to be changed, but usually it just needs to be fed.